So many people come from both. We are from the ambulance and and I have pizza and go to the now. Then we do 2 hours after the 75,000. Only for this particular predicament to befall the family and then of course the party and of course this constituency, the Ejisu constituency. So, Alfred, that is the situation here.
Sadia Mopana, Zakai. Sasso. Sadia Mopana, Zakai.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure he came with one consequence. So yeah, that is it. But you see, Alfred, getting more. You can even see a man it's a hard pill. It's a hard just like to say, literally, my life has ended. That is the kind of feeling that you get from even from the facial expressions and the kind of thing that they have been saying in the midst of the wailing and what have you. So I'm not surprised that we're seeing what we're saying here. People just rolling on the ground and a symbol or symbolizing the kind of situation that they find themselves in, and to say that, well, they've lost it all. That is. Lifted to Germany to continue his medication because last year, December, he was here. When he was there, he didn't celebrate the Christmas here or spend the Christmas here. That I'm reliably informed. So he was scheduled to be transported to Germany to continue his medication there. But unfortunately, he could not even get to Accra per the account given by one of his aides.
It's best MP ever happened to Joshua. It's sad that ever since he won the primaries since 2020, he did not get rest.
If you say he did not get rest, what do you mean?
Because we went to contests and he won. And those other side did not recognize him a day. Such as that, when he was sick, he need to travel because people were saying somebody is going independent. Okay. And so he need to travel to here to see.
All right. Okay. So.